Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kazakh is easy, and today I'll try to show you the grammatical features of the Kazakh language. So I'm preparing a small table which we have things helping us making Kazakh easier, yeah? So there is no gender distinction, the stress always falls on the last syllable, the predicate takes the last place in the sentence, its ending carrying the information about the doer, the time, the number, etc. No prefixes, no prepositions, only use kim, who for person. For animals and things, use ne, what. The basis of the word on the endings are always in concordance with each other. The following points in the rule of harmony from the beginning up to the end of the word. So harmony is the law of Kazakh language, and we have lesson before, and you can find this lesson about harmony in my channel. So it was short video, and no matter how many rules of grammar we would try bring out, there is nothing better than our intuition to explain it, yeah? So thank you for attention. Bye bye.